Hi guys, I found an application on App Store that I'm going to show you quick. It looked like this, and it's called Snore Inspector, and up to the right you got introduction and things like that, how the application works. But yeah, you can see it's a lot of there's a lot of reading. And you got settings to the right that you can turn on. You vibrate, alarm, schedule, and things like that. Schedule, it's when you want the Snore Inspector to start start working. And also we have a set alarm, really easy to put on, and really easy. I like it. And you got calibration here. For example, you can start it, and here the sound level when you're talking. But I used it for that. When I'm sleeping, so you can record your snores. Here you can choose your calibration level. For example, I have it for 30 to 40%, and put it on 30. And save it. Then you can go on start, click start. You see here. Then it's go when it's go over the red line, then it means that's a higher sound level than 30%. And here you can see the time for how long it's been recording. It's really easy, and the snore counts and things like that. Here you can see the graphs, the peaks. For example, 5 snores, that's 5 peaks. And if you would like to, you can also, let's see, graphs. You can see you can scroll it to this side too. This isn't snoring thing. This was the record when I was talking, so we can listen to it, for example. As you can see, you can even publish this into Facebook and even your email. And we also got history here for the daily view. For example, this is Saturday. Each day. The quick information, for example, which month, day, year, and what time this when it was recorded. And it's really easy. I would recommend to buy this. It's just about $1 on App Store. So I recommend this, and good luck in the future.